Dear Virginia Trekkers, I want you to come to our school because you can learn, well, we can teach you some stuff and you can teach us some stuff. My class loves to watch through podcasts about things that happened a few hundred years ago or happened maybe, 10. But one place I didn't see on your website is the Midlothian coal mines in Chesterfield. I know a few facts about the Midlothian coal mines. Like, it is probably the oldest coal mine in America. The mines produced coal that was used for casting cannons in the Civil War. And this is my favorite fact about the coal mines. The coal was first mined in the 1730s. I wish I could tell you more, but this is all that I know, and that is why I want you to come to Swift Creek Elementary School.
Thank you.